Making the most of available space is a priority for many homeowners, especially in properties where layout and functionality matter just as much as appearance. Windows play a larger role in space planning than many people realize. For homeowners in Washington, double-hung windows offer a smart, space-saving solution that supports comfort, flexibility, and everyday living without taking up valuable room. Why window design affects usable space. Some window styles require extra clearance to operate properly. Windows that swing inward or outward can limit furniture placement, walkways, or exterior space. Double-hung windows operate vertically, meaning they don't intrude into interior rooms or outdoor areas when opened. This makes them especially practical for Washington properties where space efficiency is important. Ideal for rooms with limited interior space. In smaller rooms, every inch counts. Double-hung windows open without extending into the room, allowing homeowners to arrange furniture freely. Washington homeowners often choose double-hung windows for bedrooms, offices, and living spaces where maintaining usable floor space is essential. The vertical operation keeps layouts flexible and uncluttered. Supporting functional exterior areas. Space-saving benefits extend beyond the interior. Because double-hung windows don't open outward, they won't interfere with walkways, patios, or landscaping outside the home. For Washington properties with narrow exterior spaces, this design helps maintain clear paths and usable outdoor areas. Homeowners can open windows without worrying about obstruction or safety concerns. Maximizing wall space. For design flexibility, double-hung windows fit neatly within the wall opening, creating a clean and balanced appearance. This allows homeowners to use wall space more efficiently. In Washington homes, this means easier placement of decor, shelving, or window treatments. The streamlined profile supports both function and interior design goals. Safe ventilation without taking up space. Ventilation is important, but some window styles require significant clearance to allow airflow. Double-hung windows offer flexible ventilation without sacrificing space. Washington homeowners can open the top sash to allow warm air to escape while keeping the lower sash closed. This provides airflow without creating low-level openings that take up room or interfere with furnishings. Ideal for multi-story properties. In multi-story homes, space considerations become even more important. Double-hung windows are commonly used on upper levels because they don't extend outward. Washington property owners appreciate how these windows maintain clean lines and safe operation without impacting exterior space below. Simplifying furniture placement. Windows that open inward can restrict furniture placement near walls. Double-hung windows eliminate this issue entirely. In Washington properties, homeowners enjoy greater freedom when arranging seating, desks, or storage near windows. This flexibility improves room functionality and overall comfort. Supporting everyday usability. Double-hung windows are easy to operate and maintain, making them practical for daily use. Their design allows homeowners to open and close windows without adjusting their surroundings. For Washington homeowners, this ease of use supports comfortable living without added inconvenience. Blending efficiency with style. Space saving doesn't have to mean sacrificing appearance. Double-hung windows offer a classic look that complements a wide range of architectural styles. Washington properties benefit from windows that provide both functional efficiency and timeless visual appeal. A smart choice for space-conscious homes. Choosing the right window style can have a meaningful impact on how a home feels and functions. Double-hung windows offer a thoughtful balance of efficiency, flexibility, and comfort. For homeowners in Washington, the space-saving benefits of double-hung windows make them an ideal solution, helping properties feel more open, organized, and easy to live in without giving up style or performance.